Okay, it's freezing cold here in Florida. This is a cold weather start. Not sure if I'm gonna be able to get it running, but it's only 43 degrees Fahrenheit out. They might declare a state of emergency today, but I'm not sure. Let's see what this thing does. Wow, I've never seen that message before. Alright, here it goes. I can't believe it started. Yeah, I'm out of everything. Washer fluid, air in my tires, fuel. Poor thing. I haven't been driving it. I've been driving that. So, I guess it's time for a little tender living care. Top off the tires, top off the windshield washer fluid, go fill the fuel tank. Well, there you have it. It started. Cold weather start. Can't believe it. Coldest day in Florida history, dating back to George Washington. Peace.